I want to ask you a pretty heavy question. If today was your last day, what would you do? What about if this was your last minute to live? I know it sounds a little crazy, but let's say you never had a chance to say goodbye to your family, to your friends. You never were able to thank the people you should have thanked. Maybe you didn't forgive and you still have this burden on your heart. Maybe there's something that you've done wrong in your life and you just never got the chance to say, I'm sorry. Communicating those things, you gotta just live your life today, not knowing for sure if tomorrow is gonna come. I wanna ask you, if this was your last day, what would you do? Who would you hug? Who would you call? Who would you say thank you to? And who would you forgive?